On the first day of Christmas, my owners gave to me a fridge in my tree. Why?
On the second day of Christmas, my owners gave to me 2 tons of acne.
And a fridge in my tree. On the third day of Christmas, my owners gave to me 3 French fries.
2 tons of acne.
And a fridge in my tree.
On the fourth day of Christmas, my owners gave to me 4 phones.
3 French fries.
2 tons of acne.
And a fridge in my tree. On the 5th day of Christmas, my owners gave to me 5 doorbell dings. 4 phones. 3 French fries.
2 tons of acne.
And a fridge in my tree.
On the 6th day of Christmas, my owners gave to me 6 lease I'm paying.
5 doorbell dings. 4 phones. 3 French fries.
2 tons of acne.
And a fridge in my tree. On the 7th day of Christmas, my owners gave to me 7 lawns I'm trimming.
6 lease I'm paying.
5 doorbell dings. 4 phones. 3 French fries.
2 tons of acne.
And a fridge in my tree. On the 8th day of Christmas, my owners gave to me 8 blades of killing. 7 lawns I'm trimming.
6 lease I'm paying.
5 doorbell dings. 4 phones. 3 French fries.
2 tons of acne.
And a fridge in my tree. On the 9th day of Christmas, my owners gave to me 9 Mercedes fading. 8 blades of killing. 7 lawns I'm trimming.
6 lease I'm paying.
5 doorbell dings. 4 phones. 3 French fries.
2 tons of acne.
And a fridge in my tree. On the 10th day of Christmas, my owners gave to me 10 boards of leaping. 9 Mercedes fading. 8 blades of killing. 7 lawns I'm trimming.
6 lease I'm paying.
5 doorbell dings. 4 phones. 3 French fries.
2 tons of acne.
And a fridge in my tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my owners gave to me 11 tigers tugging. 10 boards of leaping. 9 Mercedes fading. 8 blades of killing. 7 lawns I'm trimming.
6 lease I'm paying.
5 doorbell dings. 4 phones. 3 French fries.
2 tons of acne.
And a fridge in my tree.
On the 12th day of Christmas, my owners gave to me 12 drummers drumming.
11 tigers tugging. 10 boards of leaping. 9 Mercedes fading. 8 blades of killing. 7 lawns I'm trimming.
6 lease I'm paying.
5 doorbell dings. 4 phones. 3 French fries.
2 tons of acne.
And a fridge in my tree.
On the 13th day of Christmas, our owners gave to us
13 days of
12 drummers drumming. Trust me, we ain't
worse. I don't know where they are. I think they're on the roof. I can't tell. The sound has lost all direction. It's so loud.
11 tigers tugging. Ellie, it's only 2. It feels like 11. 10 boards are leaping. Ow! Why does this board always hit me? 9 Mercedes fading. Why, cruel world? What? 8 blades of killing. Oh, they levitate. 7 lawns I'm trimming in the middle of the night in a literal freaking snowstorm. Look around me. We came up with these lyrics in spring. It was not a good idea.
6 lease I'm paying. I have $12 in my bank account. I don't even know where any of these houses are, and none of these make sense. This one's $2, and this one's 58 cents off from being a mill.
5 doorbell dings. Oh, Ellie, what's so bad about that? He attached it to a foghorn. Every day, 5 times, my ears bleed.
4 random phones. I took all the batteries. All the other phones are dead. None of these buttons do anything. Help!
I don't understand what he wants to me. 3 French fries. They're literally just like day-old frozen McDaisy fries. This man actually went to a fast food.
2 tons of acne. It's just so bad. How did they even give me acne? Did they just rub butter on my back in my sleep?
And a fridge in my tree. Literally, how did they... Like, I don't understand how they even got it up. Wait a second. Is it making buzzy? They got electricity up there? How long did this take them? Like, why? I don't even understand. And I know it doesn't look Christmassy out here because there's no snow, but trust me, it's below freezing temperature, and the hairs on my head are literally turning to ice right now. And the cameraman decided to literally wear shorts and are getting frostbite. We're going back inside. I don't even know.
Rat hair?
I'm not even kidding. We dropped the phone on the first attempt. She looks so much worse in the sunlight. Like, look, you can see the stains on her beard. On the... okay. On the 5th day of Christmas, my owners gave to me 5 dinging... 5... On the... Okay. Just got done with open heart surgery and
On the 12th day of Christmas, my owners
restart it. I wasn't checking.